Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivomove 3S and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application. Oh, never mind, scratch that. Before we open the Garmin Connect, let's open the settings on our iPhone, because we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone and the Garmin Connect app to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings. In settings, find Bluetooth, tap on it, and here you should see the Vivomove 3S on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here you should see the option called Share System Notifications, and this option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. If you don't see this option here, close the settings, and now open the Garmin Connect application. Wait until it opens, tap on More, Garmin Devices, select your Vivomove 3S from the list. Here tap on Alerts, then tap on Smart Notifications, for example General Use, disable the notifications, go back, it will say that the settings were saved, and now go back to the alerts and re-enable the notifications, and then go back again to the device page. You will see the settings saved. Basically, we need to turn off and on the notifications, wait until it's done syncing with your phone, and in the meantime, you probably will see the pop-up on the screen about the notifications or permission for the notifications. And if you see this pop-up, allow all of them. So you will have probably one or two pop-ups. So once you allow the notification permission, we can close the app for now, go back to settings, and make sure that the Share System Notifications is enabled. So tap on Bluetooth, tap on the info, and as you can see here, it's here, and it should be here, and it should be enabled. Then go back to the main page of settings, scroll down and find the Connect icon, the Garmin Connect icon. Tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, and now we can reopen the Garmin Connect. And here we can tap on More, Garmin Devices, select our Vivomove 3S, find the Alerts, tap on it, and then Smart Notifications. And here we have General Use and During Activity. General Use is when you're using your watch normally and you're not recording any activity, and activity or during activity is when you're recording activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. First, let's tap on General Use. And here we can turn on or off the notifications, and we can also select which types of notifications should be popping up on your watch. And we have all. All means app notifications, call notifications, and text notifications. Calls and text only means the calls and text only, of course, and the calls only means calls only. So select the types of notifications you want to see, and then go back, and do the same for the during activity. And once you're done, go back to the device page. You will see the device settings have been saved. Wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone, and once it's done, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna check if I'm logged in into Discord. I am. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and it should pop up on the watch. It popped up on our iPhone, but I don't see it on our watch. Let's try syncing the watch again with our iPhone. Okay, and let's try again. Okay, something is not working. Let's check the widgets, see if there's a come on. Hello? Oh, no, we have the notification. They just don't pop up on the screen. Okay, as you can see, we open the notification widgets and they are here. So let's try again. I'm gonna send another message. And it popped out on our iPhone, and also if we cap the screen on our watch, it is here, and we can tap on the notification widget, and here we have our messages. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, so it is working. So that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.